Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can add videos to your Squarespace website. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is be on your homepage. Click on the Edit button in the top left corner. Then, click on the Add section button wherever you want to add a video. From the options on the left, scroll down and click on Videos. You can then choose from any of the available templates. Click on the one you would like to use. I'll just go with this one right here. This will add a section where you can add videos. Click on the Edit icon in the Video section. Here you can see the video placeholder. To replace this, click on Replace. From this option, you can upload the video file from your computer. Alternatively, if you want to add a link, I'm going to paste my YouTube video. Click on Add from Link. Paste your video link here, wait a little while for it to load, and then click Add. If you scroll down a bit, you can see the option for a custom featured image. You can use a custom thumbnail if you want to. You can also set the video to autoplay or loop if desired, and write a description for the video. Once you are done, click on Save and then Done. That's how you can add a video to your Squarespace website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.